So after months of waiting, my registration came in. So this is a Glock 44 22 long rifle, same size as the Glock 19, just chambered in 22, with a Recover Tactical stabilizer brace from Recover Tactical, which I bought from Zahal.org in Israel. I also added a red dot sight in the foregrip, so I'm going to take it out to the range and pop off a few and see how I do. So my shots were kind of low, but this is literally the first time I've ever shot that gun, and I wasn't even really trying. I'm an amateur shooter, so I think for just picking it up and going, I think it's not too bad. So bottom line is that for $100, I think this tactical brace is pretty awesome. Super fun gun to shoot, so just got to get it tuned in a little bit, and highly recommend it.